Welcome to today's SEO session. In this video, we will cover the duplicate content issue, a common SEO problem that can hurt your rankings if not handled properly. You will learn what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Duplicate content refers to blocks of text that appears on more than one web page, either within your own website or across different domains. Search engine struggles to decide which version to rank. There are two main types: internal duplicate content, same content repeated on multiple pages of your site; external duplicate content, content copied or syndicated from other sites. Common causes includes copy-paste from other websites, multiple URLs serving the same content, printer-friendly versions of pages, product description copied from manufacturers. Duplicate content confuses search engines, making it hard to decide which page is original. This can dilute ranking signals, split traffic, and even trigger search penalties. Google doesn't usually penalize duplicate content unless it is intentionally deceptive, but it will filter out duplicates and show only one version, reducing visibility for others. Use tools like Copy Escape, SiteLiner, SEMrush, or Ahref to scan your site for duplication. These tools compare your content against millions of web pages. You can fix duplication by rewriting content using canonical tags, setting up 301 redirects, or blocking duplicate pages in robot.txt. Create original, high-value content from the start. Avoid copying product description and ensure your CMS settings don't generate multiple URLs for the same page. Fixing duplicate content helps improve rankings, strengthen your site's authority, and ensure search engines know exactly which page to index. Duplicate content can silently harm your SEO. Audit your site today, fix duplicates, and focus on original, value-driven content. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.